Hello friends, welcome to my channel Excellent Coaching. Let us discuss the experimental method. So what is this method? This is an investigation method used by the psychology researcher to scientifically test the hypothesis. And this method is particularly used when we want to find out the cause and the effect. So again here you must remember the concept of variables. So whenever we want to find out the cause of one variable and its effect, then we use experimental method for that. So how changes done in one leads to the changes in other. That is the aim of an experimental method. And this one I am talking about is the independent variable. So how the change in independent variable leads to the change in dependent variable. So this is the aim of a researcher who is using experimental method. So how this particular cause is leading to this particular effect. So to find out the cause and effect, to find out the changes is done in one particular thing leading to changes in another thing. And these are the variables which are manipulated by the researcher. The variable could be certain things, or it could be events, it could be habits, feelings, quantity, quality, anything the researcher is manipulating. For example, a researcher wants to know how the change in weather leads to changes in the mood of people, keeping other conditions controlled, because mood is also dependent on various other conditions. So we have to keep those other conditions controlled to find out how only the change in weather can cause the change in mood. So this particular thing, weather here is the independent variable and mood is the dependent variable. Now a researcher who wants to experiment on this particular purpose will in an experiment will try to control the other conditions which are causing the variation in the mood, and then he will manipulate the weather to see if it is leading to the change in the mood of the people. So this is how an experimental method is used to find out the cause of a certain effect, and it is a very useful method in terms of psychology research, because when experimental methods are used by psychologists, they have an advantage to keep certain things in control. So when they do this particular experiment in a lab, they have an advantage to keep situations in control so that only the cause and effect can be focused on their study. And after this, we will discuss further methods in our later videos. Thanks for watching.